I've been seeing a lot of comments on social media about people talking about how you can create PayPal account and how you can link your PayPal account to your bank account. But in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can create your PayPal account and how you can link your Visa to your PayPal account, so that whenever you do purchases online, you can choose the PayPal option to do payments. Alright, let's jump straight into creating a PayPal account. Go to your browser. In the search bar, type paypal.com. paypal.com search, and here is the PayPal's website. You click it, and now we are in the PayPal's website where it says sign up for free. Click sign up for free. Your account is in your hands, so this is where we will create our account now. Enter your email here. Click next, and here you will enter your phone number. Click next, and a confirmation code will be sent to this phone number that you've entered through text message. And here is the number 478-444-478-444. It's confirming it, and then this part you'll create a password. A password can be two of the following: letters, numbers, or symbols, and it must not be less than 8. It must be 8 or more characters. So let's enter our password here. After you have done creating your password, click next, and in this area or in this section you're gonna fill your personal information: your nationality, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and when you have done with that, click next, and here you're gonna enter your address, your residential address. Okay, I'm entering my residential address now. After you have done that, you must always click this box or checkbox here to confirm the terms and agreement of PayPal, and then you click agree and create an account. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I've not entered the city. Okay, I'll enter Port Moresby is the city, and I'll narrow down to where exactly I live. Let's say that's where I live. City, that's Port Moresby. State, that's National Capital District. Port Moresby's postcode or postal code is 121, and I click agree and create account, and boom, now I have a PayPal account now. You see, and Now it's asking me to link my card. Now in this section, you're gonna fill all your Visa card details here. Your Visa card number, you see here, enter card number, and then card type, you select drop down here, and you see if you have a MasterCard, you'll enter your MasterCard details here. If you have a American Express card, you'll enter its details here, or if you have Discover, you'll enter its details here. But for us, I think we all have Visa cards, so I'll just select Visa, and then I'll enter the expiry date of the Visa and the security code of the Visa. Once I'm done with this information, I'll just click link card, and that is done. I have now linked my Visa to my PayPal account. So whenever I do my purchases online, instead of purchasing through Visa, I can just use PayPal option to pay for my items online. Take note, for those who might be asking questions such as how can I get my funds being sent abroad into my PayPal account, and how I can transfer the amount of money from my PayPal account into my bank account, that process I have not yet figured it out. I am in the same boat as you. I am still doing research on that, but I think in Papua New Guinea that option has not been made available to us as yet, as I'm still trying to figure it out. But once I figure it out and was able to be successful on that, I'll do up a video on that and let you know.